Hey folks, it's about 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. This is a chart of the Dixie, and it looks like we are breaking down some, a 4-hour chart, and we are breaking down. We haven't closed down below this lower band of support, but we closed well off the highs of yesterday's session. Now, I'll grant you that volume right now is light, but if we break down below this level here at 93.02, I think we're going to retrace all the way down to last week's lows on the Dixie. And if you take a look at gold, obviously you would expect some strength. You're seeing some, not a ton. We're up about 310 right now. We're at resistance. We actually gave up earlier in the session. We gave up a support level on a 4-hour chart. That doesn't get me excited, so I'm a little bit concerned about that. We're trying to get back above a resistance level, but there's a tug of war going on between bulls and bears about the direction of the dollar versus gold. Now, seasonality totally favors the dollar in December in advance of the Fed meeting, but after you get that knee-jerk reaction immediately following the Fed meeting in December, come January, it's off to the races for the next couple of months for gold and the gold stocks, and silver for that matter as well. So seasonality right now, yes, definitely favors the currency, US dollar, but as the month moves on, it's going to begin to change towards favoring the precious metal names and the gold stocks. And I would even argue that the Senate, by passing the tax plan over the weekend, stole the thunder away from Janet Yellen and the Fed when they go to raise rates, if they raise rates, because the bond market is certainly saying they're not necessarily believing that there's going to be a rate hike, and if we do get one, it may be the last one for some time. Here's the 10-year note, not the yield, but the note. It is rising. Let's pull back. This is only an hourly chart. Let's go to a daily chart. So you can see that since the 30th, we have been rallying back. And in fact, we are poised for a breakout if we close above this upper band of resistance. So really interesting times. That's it, folks. Got to go to bed. Everybody have a great night. Talk to you tomorrow.